Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to send an invoice to any other customers, that person or client on your business, then this video is for you. So let's see how you can create an invoice and send them instantly or send it later by scheduling. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online account using your QuickBooks login credentials. Now you have to do is simply click on this plus icon, plus new button here, and you can find the customer section where you can find the invoice. Simply click on invoice, where you'll be able to create an invoice. So right now I'm going to create an invoice. So first you have to select the customers here, then enter the customer email. Once you have added this, you can add the billing address from here. So I'm going to add a test address from here. Now the invoice date, so you can select the invoice date from here, any date you want. Also, if you can add it for advance and schedule it if you want so. And here's the due date, that the payment date here. Now invoice number, you can change the invoice number. Also set the store if you have multiple branches and you want to set it up branch from here, and specify that where this customer has just purchased the product or service. Now here is the listing where you can list each and every product and the service that the customer has purchased, and this will count it in this section where you can find the subtotal and the total balance, and if there's any balance due to, so you can find the balance due from here. So like service date, so I'm going to add the service date from here. For example, they have just purchased a black shirt. That here you can set description. So if you don't have added the product, or you can find the product that the customer purchased, so you can add that product as a new product by simply click on add a new button here, and you can add the product with the description, the rate for per quantity, and the total amount here, and also the tax details from here. So you can see it is already added according to my list that I have just added to my product here. So once you have done it, you can delete any product by simply click on this trash icon here. Also you can add more of them from here, so I'm going to add more of them, so like this. And description, you can add a description by manually. Then you can select the quantity also, so I'm going to select the quantity just like this. Once you have added, you have to add the tax sales from here, sales tax here. So once you have done it, you can add a message on invoice, like I'm going to add like thanks for shopping, and also the message on the statement like keep this invoice for further record. So once you have done it, you can add any image or any documents that needed or that are helpful to the customers. Then after adding that, all of this, you can find the gear icon where you can also add some settings from here. You can add some custom fields if you want so, or related to your business, or if it's for specific customers. Now you have to do is simply click on, if you want to send it instantly, then click on save and send. But if you want to save it right now but send it later, then you can simply click on save this. So it will save to your invoice section where you will be able to send it anytime you want. Now I'm going to send it like save and send. So once you have done it, you can find from here, you can select the name here or Gmail address. You can add more Gmail address from here. Also the subject, you can select the subject from here, like an invoice for apparel. Sorry for that. Apparel. So I have added a subject here. You can add a body message from here if you want. So now simply click on send and close. Now here you can see this invoice has just sent to that expected email address of that customer that the customers provided you. So once you have done it, this was a demo. So let's see if it's reached or not. So here you can see I have just got this message, the invoice details from here. So you can see all the details from here where a customer can easily print it or save it if they need it. So right now there is a issue that because I'm using the same account, Google account for the sending and receiving, so that's why it's showing me the error. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.